Hi guys, you're highly welcome. Thanks for clicking on this particular video. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing an amazing health benefit of baking soda with you. The tips or the health benefit that no one has ever shared with you before. So in this video you are going to learn all the health benefits. So stay tuned. And number one health benefit is that it is used for stomach pain and it also relieve heartburn. So that is the number one health benefit, and that is the more reason why you need baking soda in your daily activities. So don't joke with it. Number two health benefit is that is the natural antacid and anti-inflammatory. Okay, so that is it on that, guys. Number three health benefit is that it is used to whiten your teeth and refreshing breath. Yes, it is very good to whitening teeth. When it comes to shining and whitening, brighten your teeth, baking soda is the number one health benefit for that. Number four health benefit is that it relieves sunburn and itching. So that is the number four health benefit. Number five health benefit is that is the natural exfoliant for skin. Okay, you can use it to exfoliate your skin when you are noticing that you are having all this acne, all these rashes on your skin. You can use it for exfoliating and it is going to do an amazing job to your skin. You are going to love your skin. So that is it. Number six health benefit is that it reduces odor and treats fungi infection. So that is what it does to your body. It reduces odor and it treats fungi infection. Number seven health benefit is that it supports kidney health. Yeah, it supports kidney health. Use of baking soda. We have listed the health benefits, so let's move on to the use of baking soda. So when we talk about oral health, that is when we talk about oral health, it is used for mouthwash. You can use it as your toothpaste. Number two, digestive issue. It is good for heartburn and digestion. Number three, skincare, acne, eczema, and sunburn. And when we talk about foot sack, it is good for fungi infection and odor. And when we talk about hair care, it treats dandruff and itching. So that is it about the uses of baking soda. So thank you so much if you have watched to this extent. Bye if you have watched to this extent, and I will see you in my next upload. And please do well to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that if I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, thank you so much. I love you and I will never take your love for granted. Thanks so much for your support. Bye. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. Love you guys.